The Engagement Element Designer allows you to produce more complex, intricate layouts without the use of HTML. In this video, we'll cover use cases, highlights, and setup elements. There are a number of opportunities in which it might be necessary to have a more complex but easily manageable engagement element design setup. You can organize volunteer campaigns and internal resources, have expanded instructions for match programs, and promote specific internal initiatives in new and different ways. To facilitate this, the new Engagement Element Designer includes some drag and drop functionality where contents can be easily arranged on a page, as well as duplication functionalities, which will allow for expansion of the page without having to recreate the entire section that you're working on. There's also theme settings, which allow for colors that are different from your regular site colors. In this example, you can see the use of headings, and then a left and right-hand side list display that formerly required HTML. Using the Engagement Element Designer will feature familiar elements, but will be expanded to include a three-step approach. As per usual, any required field is denoted with an asterisk. Step 1 will be to choose a template, which will be represented by icons that preview the layout of the template. Step 2 will be to enter the recurring details, which will be familiar: title, subtitle, date range, and images. The third step will be the page builder. This will be where the individual widgets will live, and the individual widgets are identifiable even if they are not populated with any content at the time, and each widget features a standardized set of icons for editing. Creating an engagement element will start in a familiar fashion, but create new, find the Engagement Element Designer, click Select, and then you'll find the icons with the template layouts represented, and select Next. The Details tab will contain many elements that are familiar from setup of other engagement elements. They include an image upload, a page title, and a call to action, as well as whether or not to display on the home page, an active date range, and the new functionality of no end date. The third tab is the Page Builder tab. Within the widgets, you'll see the standardized icons of Move, Edit, Copy, and Delete. At the bottom of the page, you'll see the options to return to the previous page, Save and Publish, Save as Draft, this is live, or Preview. If you click on Preview, you'll see that there are two tabs open, and this is going to show you what the page is going to look like live. The page will open to a desktop view, but you can switch to mobile and scroll down to see the entire mobile experience. If you need to exit this page, simply click the X on the tab on the top and return to Edit on the Page Builder. On the lower right-hand corner of the Page Builder is a section called Elements. It contains content and theme. Content are additional elements that can be added to any template by dragging and dropping them into the template. Theme is where colors can be changed to vary from the standard branding of the rest of your site. To hide the elements, click the down caret.